Hey guys, thank you so much for coming over and helping me with my Food as Medicine workshop food prep.
I'm excited. So what are you making today anyways?
Today we're gonna make a vegetable soup and also a healthy dessert.
Yes, I love dessert.
So what do you mean by food is medicine?
Well, food can be our medicines and when you know when to eat and what to eat for your body. So when you eat the right food, it can help heal our body, balance our moods, and you also have to know when to eat during the right season. So let's get going, Corey. I'm going to ask Corey to help me with chopping vegetables. And Ricky, you're gonna help me measuring some spices. Jenna, since you love dessert, you're gonna help me with dessert.
So if food is medicine, can I ask you something?
Of course.
I've been feeling a little emotionally up and down lately and kind of bloated and gassy too. You got anything for that?
Oh, of course. So I would recommend eating more cooked vegetables. Stay away from dry or raw vegetables and definitely adding ginger in your diet.
Any particular kind of vegetables?
For grounding, I would definitely stay with ground vegetables, like root vegetables like sweet potato, pumpkins, and all that good stuff.
Okay, thanks.
So what about bad acid reflux and heartburn?
Okay, well, I would definitely stay away from hot, spicy food and sour foods. Eat more cooling foods like coconut, mint, cucumber. Those are great for you.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. This bad acid reflux has been pretty bad lately, so.
Yeah.
I don't get bad acid reflux, but I have been getting a stuffy nose lately and I've been feeling really lazy and lethargic. Is that from the food?
Well, it can be. Do you eat a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits?
Probably not.
Well, definitely eat more fresh vegetables and fruits into your diet. That will give you better energy. And as for your stuffy nose, I would stay away from dairy. Dairy causes a lot of mucus in your body, so no dairy and cold foods.
Okay.
Hey, that reminds me, I have a friend who's got insomnia. You got something for that?
My uncle has diabetes. Can you help with that?
And then my uncle has a really bad skin rash. Can you help?
Oh my gosh, guys, you just need to book a workshop with me. Back to work, chop chop.